Hello friends, welcome to Code with Kartiki. As we are seeing Python tricks and tips, here is our next trick. So we are going to see usage of star operator. So first one is multiplication of numbers and another use is repetition of object. So first one is multiplication of numbers. When all operands are of numeric data type, so then the star operator act as a multiplication operator, right? So this is the first use. Next use is repetition of object. So repetition of object means we know that in Python everything is an object. So for example, you want to repeat any string, any list. At that time you can use this star operator as a repetition operator. Here is condition: one argument should be of integer data type. Then it will act as a repetition operator. For example, here first name I have taken Mary and I want to repeat it 2 times. Then I have taken here first name, so this is my string object, and this star operator I have used and 2. So it will repeat this Mary name twice. So we will see these things practically. So first we will see star operator as a multiplication operator. So for example, I have here number 4 and B is 5, and I will print A into 5. This star operator is acting as a multiplication operator here. Now I will run this code python test.py. So it is 20. So this is the first use. So next use is repetition. So for example, I have here string first name is equal to Mary. Then I want to repeat this string twice. So I have taken here first name star operator 2, right? So now what it will do, it will repeat this first name string twice. If I run this, then I got here Mary, right? So in this way you can use this star operator for multiplication also and repetition also.